Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Jamaican style green banana porridge. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to use to make the green banana porridge. So here, this is the green banana I'm going to use to make the porridge. Also, I'm going to use some sea moss gel. I have 1 coconut. Going to use a little condensed milk, some brown sugar, some oats, going to use some vanilla, some nutmeg powder. Here we're going to use bay leaves and cinnamon stick. So this is the pot I'm going to use to make the porridge in. I'm going to add 6 cups of water, and this is 2 cups here. So 2, 4, 6. Going to turn on the stove. Now I'm going to add the cinnamon stick. So that's 3 cinnamon stick, 5 small bay leaves. Now I'm going to allow it to come to a boil. Now I'm going to break the coconut. Catch the water. Remember, you have to be careful because you don't want the knife to stick in your hand. Nice and beautiful this is. So you just use the knife point like this and go underneath it. Okay? Just like that. Okay, now I'm going to cut up the coconut. Just for the blender could blend it easily. If it's too big, it's going to jam the blender and don't make it spin. Okay, and it could also burn up the blender. So you just want to cut it small like this. Just dice them up small. Okay, this is the blender I'm going to use to blend the coconut. So here, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. I'm going to blend. That is it. Alright, now I'm going to strain it off. So I'm going to blend the banana them with the skin. So I'm just going to wash them off first. going to use some baking soda. Remember, I'm going to blend them with the skin, okay? So I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut off the end them, just like that. Now I'm just going to dice them like this. So for the banana, we're going to use a bigger blender, okay? A more stronger blender. So I'll add the banana first. Now I'm going to add the oats. I'm going to add the coconut milk. That is it. Alright, now I'm going to blend. Okay. Okay, so the water been boiling, and the reason why the water have that color is because of the cinnamon stick, okay? So now I'm going to add the green banana. That's everything. You want to make sure you whisk it right away, so it don't lumpy. So you take time and whisk it until it come thick. If you notice it getting thick, so you just take your time to continue whisk it till it get thick. After it get thick, it's not gonna have no lump, okay? So you notice it have body already. Alright, now we get thick. So now you want to make sure you turn on your stove on medium heat, okay? You don't want it too high to burn up the porridge, okay? So you turn it on medium. So this porridge take 20 to 25 minutes to cook. So I'm going to turn the stove on medium heat and allow it to slow cook. After 20 minutes, I'm going to come and sweeten it. Okay, it's 20 minutes since the porridge on the stove boiling. Now I'm going to sweeten it. So here, half teaspoon nutmeg powder. Whisk it right away so it don't come lumpy. Roughly 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to add some brown sugar. Like 1/3 cup of brown sugar. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of sweet condensed milk. And this is optional, you don't have to add it, my people. So whisk. Here I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sea moss gel. Look how nice this is, my people. Look how nice and creamy this porridge. Okay, I'm going to make it cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to turn off the stove. Alright, my people, this is it. Now I'm going to turn off the stove. Okay, now I'm going to serve myself a bowl. Okay, my people, here you have it. Green banana porridge. See how nice and thick this is. Creamy, cooked to perfection. Go for a taste. It's very hot. So good. So I'm gonna list all the ingredients below the video. So check the video description to get all the ingredients. And thank you so much to watch this video to the end. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. Peace out. See you in the next video.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.